For 33 through 36, I'm going to answer, does the function have an inverse, using a table. So for 33, here's the table. And for f of x, so to decide if this has an inverse, I'm going to rewrite the table as f inverse of x and x, just copying the values over. To answer this problem, I'm going to rely on the definition of one-to-one. The definition of one-to-one says that a function is one-to-one when each value of the independent variable has exactly one value in the dependent variable. So this is why I've chosen to rewrite my chart, because I'm going to look to see if the independent variable for my inverse function, which is here, has exactly one value. And I see that there are duplicated values here. So if I put -2 into f inverse, I get both -1 and 3. So I'm going to indicate what my duplicate values are. And I'm going to say, therefore, f of x does not have an inverse. For 37 through 40, I'm going to answer, does the function have an inverse? The graph for number 37 looks like this. Label my x and y axes. I'm going to label some points. The line goes roughly through 0, 3 and 6, 0. And I'm going to apply the horizontal line test to see if it has an inverse. There's nowhere that I can put the horizontal line that it meets with 2 points on the graph. So this function does have an inverse. For number 41 through 44, you can use a graphing calculator or Desmos to graph the function and verify if it has an inverse function using the horizontal line test. I'm going to demonstrate this on the TI-84. So to enter our equation, we go to y equals, and the function is g of x equals x plus 5 quantity cubed. Let's look at that graph. If I don't like my window, I can change it using zoom. I can try zoom fit, which is 0. Or I can do zoom standard, which is zoom 6. Standard gives me a -10 to 10 on x and -10 to 10 on y. That looks pretty good. To label my graph, I can press second draw, and then 0 is my text option. So I can press 0, and then I put the coordinates on the screen that I want to draw my text. So I can try 5, 5, and then comma again, and then I put my text in quotes. Here's my quote button. It's above the plus, so I press alpha plus for quote. And this is 2.7. Here's my space. It's alpha space. This is problem 41. Press enter, and there's my text.